Melon is sponsoring me to teach you how to add a LinkedIn personal page and or company page to your live streaming capabilities in their platform. You don't need all this gear and all this fancy stuff like I have here in my home studio to stream and record anymore. Melon makes it really simple. So first of all, if you signed up for Melon using your LinkedIn account, it'll already be locked and loaded. But if you didn't, this is how you add it. By the way, link below if you want to sign up for Melon. It's free to sign up. That is an affiliate link. So what you're going to do here in Melon is click your avatar at the top and then go to Settings. It's going to pull up the destination section right over here. Destinations. You'll lock and load all of the accounts that you already have associated with your account here. Notice I already have some Facebook and YouTube accounts. You can add across multiple platforms. What you're going to do is add destination right here. And then there's two options for LinkedIn. LinkedIn Personal is your personal page, you as an individual person. The company page is a separate type of page on LinkedIn. I'll show you how both options work. LinkedIn Personal, you click it, it'll pull up an authentication window. It'll tell you what it's going to use your profile for, and then you click Allow. It's that simple. And you'll have to log in, obviously. And then boom, your personal profile is there. If you want to reconnect it, if you change your password or it gets disconnected, there's a refresh button and you can remove hitting the X, which is great. If you want to add your company page, easy peasy, just click LinkedIn Company here. And then it'll pull up the company page. And on LinkedIn, you have to have a company page, obviously, to do this. And it has to be associated with whatever LinkedIn account you're logging in with. And it's going to tell you what all of the permissions are. And then you're going to click Allow. It'll give you a list of all of the companies that you manage under your LinkedIn account. So you'll have to have management permissions on that company page to do this. I have that on my own company, awalldigital.com. And there it is. Both accounts are now locked and loaded as options to live stream to. Now, you don't have to live stream to any of these destinations if you don't want to. They can all be selected here in the Go Live functionality here within the dashboard. What do I mean by that? Well, whenever you're ready to go live, there's a Go Live and Record button down here at the bottom. And if you click that, look at that. You have all these destination options available, right? So let's say on today's live stream, you wanted to go live on your LinkedIn personal page, on one of your YouTube channels, and on your Facebook page. You can click the buttons here and go live on whichever pages you want, multi-platform streaming. If you wanted to just go live to your personal page on LinkedIn and your company page on LinkedIn, you'd select both of those and then complete the live streaming process here. I've got an entire tutorial video about that, link below to that playlist. You do on LinkedIn though, as it currently stands, I'm recording this video at the very end of 2021, your LinkedIn profile does have to be approved for live streaming in order for you to live stream there. So just heads up on that. That is a apply and approval program. Got it? That's it. If you want to check out Melon, it is free. Link below. Adios, amigos.